Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now? Sign into your Google account and open Security. Once there, find Signing into Google and then Passkeys. Make sure your device is unlocked and supports biometrics or a PIN because Google uses that for verification. Click Add Passkey to begin. Choose the device you're using. This first action registers a cryptographic credential tied to your device rather than a typed password, which prevents phishing and makes logins faster and safer. Once you click Add Passkey, pick the device to register and follow the biometric or PIN prompt. You'll see the device confirm a cryptographic key pair is created. Make sure to give the passkey a clear name so you can identify it later, especially if you plan multiple devices. If you allow Google to save it to your account, the passkey syncs via Google Password Manager so you can use it on other signed-in devices. This step links a private key to your account. Google only stores a protected reference. Complete setup by signing out and testing sign-in with the new passkey. Choose the passkey option at login and confirm with your fingerprint or PIN. Make sure you also register a backup method, either another passkey on a second device or a physical security key, so you aren't locked out. If something goes wrong, if your device is lost or the passkey won't work, remove that device's passkey from security on another signed-in device, or use account recovery and your
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.